Hello, welcome back to this new episode. This is Magic Crochet, issue number 91, August 1994. I really like these mini doilies. Let's begin. It's a larger photo. The designer is Glendola Hodge. They were made with cotton number 5. I really like these mini doilies. I'm planning on making a tutorial for all of them. I'm going to place them in a playlist in case you want to come back and follow along with me. Comes with all the charts. Let's continue. The next design is also Glendola Hodge. The name of the pattern is Beaming. Let me show you a close-up of the name of the designer in case I didn't pronounce it right. Glendola Hodge. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's really simple. Pretty. This is Dawn by Lucille Laflamme. It was made with cotton 10. Beautiful. This is my next project. I think I'm going to start step by step on this one tomorrow. Comes with a chart. I really like pineapples. The next one. Scotch Tristo. The designer Kyoko Takagi. Cute. It was made with cotton number 40. 31 rows. The next one. Early Harvest by Glendola Hodge. Made with cotton 10. Pretty. The next one. Aster by Claudette Squazzini. It was made with cotton number 5. Pretty. Let's continue. This is Milady by Hazel Henry. Made with cotton number 10. This one reminds me of a Patricia Christopherson doily I made. Comes with a chart. The next one. Magic Circle by Fujiko Takagi. It was made with cotton number 40. Looks like wheat. Let's continue. Zoom on Bloom by Lucille Laflamme. Let's see if we can find a larger photo. Is this one? Yeah. This photo is too small. Here is the instructions. It was made with cotton number 5. More issues. This is Ripeness by Hazel Henry. Made with cotton number 10. Nice colors. It comes with a chart. Citron by Lucille Laflamme. Made with cotton number 10. Pretty. Nice color combination. The next one. Primrose by Lucille Laflamme. Made with cotton number 10. It's cute and it's small. Comes with a chart and it looks beginner friendly. Barely by Hazel Henry. It's this one. Made with cotton number 10. Let's continue. Gay Paris by Hazel Henry. Made with cotton number 10. Pretty. Irish Crochet. Comes with all of the instructions. Different flowers, leaves. More detailed instructions. Here they show you how to add pearls. It has detailed instructions on the Irish crochet. Let's continue. Summer Cottage by Glendola Hodge. Made with cotton number 5. An Irish flower. It is oval. It's cute. Let's continue. Camellias by Gian Fancello. I just uploaded a video of a doily by Gian Fancello. I don't know if you saw it. It has a lot of pineapples. She has great design. This one was made with cotton number 20. Looks like lotus flowers, but the name of the pattern is Camellias. The next one, Amethyst. No designer information. It's pretty. The photo is kind of dark. Dutch Date by Bernadette Baldelli. Made with cotton 20. Comes with a chart. Let's continue. Charleston by Alice Gandel. 4 roses, made with cotton 10. The next one, Martha's Vineyard. The designer Alice Gandel. Made with cotton number 20. A rectangular dolly. Looks small. The next one, Early Morning by Glendola Hodge. Made with cotton number 5. Filet crochet. 2 different patterns. Looks nice. This one, the designer is Bernadette Baldelli, made with cotton number 5. The next one, The Message by Lucille Flame, made with cotton number 10. Pretty. The next one, Quadrille by Glendola Hodge, cotton number 5. This is Curtain Border by Bernadette Baldelli, made with cotton number 20. Can hardly see in the photo, but this is the chart. Next, Golden Roses. This is Lucille Flame, made with cotton number 20. The chart. This is Twin Daisies by Glendola Hodge, cotton number 5. Let's continue. Think Pink. No designer information. Made with cashmere yarn. It doesn't say what size. It is pretty. The charts. Let's continue. Here is the chart and the instructions. Let's continue. Sweetie, one size fits all. Made with wool yarn. The instructions. Let's continue. Here is more instructions for the color. This is Mirage by Glendola Hodge. Lunch is ready. Let me see if I can find a photo of the color. Here it is. I think I missed this page. Here is the photo of the color. Really pretty. Here is the instructions. And that's it for today. I hope you found some inspiration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.